Here's a mistake I see constantly. Developers pass null to a component and wonder why their default prop didn't kick in. Let's fix that forever. In modern React, setting default props is beautifully simple. Just use destructuring with default parameter syntax. When you destructure props, assign a fallback value with the equal sign. So if you have a button component that needs a default color, write open brace color equals blue close brace. If the parent doesn't pass a color prop or passes undefined, it falls back to blue. This is the standard JavaScript default parameter feature, and it's the recommended way for function components. Clean, readable, and works perfectly with TypeScript. For class components, you use the static defaultProps property. Define it as an object where each key is a prop name and the value is the default. This still works, but it's older syntax. You'll see it in legacy codebases or interview questions, so it's worth knowing. Just remember, it's a static property on the class itself, not in the constructor. Here's the gotcha that trips everyone up. Defaults only apply when a prop is undefined. If a parent explicitly passes null, the default won't be used. Undefined means the prop wasn't provided or was explicitly set to undefined. Null is a real value. So if you pass color equals null, your button won't get the default blue, it'll get null. This is critical for debugging prop issues. Quick heads up, as of React 18.3, defaultProps is officially deprecated for function components. The React team wants you to use destructuring defaults instead. Class components can still use defaultProps for now, but the writing's on the wall. Bottom line. Use destructuring with default values for function components. Understand that defaults only apply to undefined, not null, and avoid defaultProps in new code. Now go ace the interview question. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.